Hello dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my grandmother. We are about to cook cube steak. I don't know if a lot of you don't know, but another passion of mine is cooking, and I do a lot of cooking on my personal YouTube channel. But my grandmother is going to show me today how she does her cube steak, because every time I cook cube steak, it's never tender. It's just not right. And plus, I'm not perfect at making gravy, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna do this for YouTube and then I can post it, because people are always telling me on my Instagram channel that I need to post recipes on YouTube. But I'm going to do it. This is gonna be my first one, and I'm going to do it with my grandma. So let's get started. Grandma, tell me what we cooking today.
We're cooking cube steaks. We got 4 nice cube steaks, and they're very tender.
Okay, we're gonna cut those though, right?
Yes, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cook them. We're gonna season them on both sides with salt and pepper and a little garlic powder.
Okay.
And then we're gonna flour them. Then we're gonna brown them put them in there. Put a little oil in the skillet.
Okay.
And brown it on both sides.
Alrighty, so let's get started. Okay, so my grandmother has already seasoned the meat with salt, pepper, and a little garlic powder on both sides. Next, she's going to go ahead and flour it and get ready to fry it.
Well, I'm going to do not exactly fry it. What I want you to do is lightly brown it on both sides.
Okay.
And take it out. And put it in a pan.
Okay.
You'll see as I go along.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can put it in there. Yeah. Oh, you gonna put it on there? Okay, that's fine. I know. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay. You don't do that.
Maybe you won't mess up so many dishes.
Oh, okay. You just gonna put it right there.
Alright. Go lightly flour it on both sides. Get some flour on both sides. You can cut that down a little bit. You got that?
I cut it down on medium. You want to cut it down lower?
No, let's see. Get this.
Okay. So you pat the flour in it?
Yeah, I just let that spread the flour evenly over the meat on both sides.
Okay.
Get the meat covered with flour on both sides.
Okay.
And flour like you do chicken.
Okay. Good.
And I usually check. Check right on the side. Last 2 of them.
Okay, so now my grandmother is dumping out some of that grease.
Leave them a little bit to brown the flour.
So you about to brown the flour?
What we're gonna do is already some put a little flour. Okay. You don't have to measure, you just put in some flour to make some gravy.
You don't have to measure.
You don't have to measure. This is all for cook. This is the way my grandmama and great grandmama used to do it. That's how they taught me. Onions and stuff and lay them in there. You can put it in there.
All right.
Now, or you can wait till I'll put it in the gravy.
Yeah, put it in the gravy.
See, the meat has already got some flour on it. You don't have to brown a whole lot of flour, because the meat already got flour on it. And you put the gravy on there, it's gonna make more gravy from the meat, the flour on the meat.
Okay, so my grandma did add some seasoning to
You can use plain water, either you can use chicken broth. But today we're using just a little water to make some gravy. So you just stir it till it gets thick.
And also she went ahead and seasoned the gravy too.
A little salt. You can put a little salt and pepper in the gravy. But you really don't have to, because there's already salt and pepper on the meat. But me, well, I'm from the old school. I like mine seasoned a little high, seasoned to taste. You keep stirring it.
Okay, so now my grandmother added the onions and the bell peppers and the mushrooms to the gravy so they could saute and simmer down a little bit.
You don't open the can.
I'm gonna open
Okay.
it. Yeah, so we letting this simmer for a little bit. So she added this to the gravy, and we're gonna let it simmer and all combine well together first.
We're going to put it in the oven after we mix it for it over the steak, cube steak.
Alrighty, so now she's about to add the gravy mixture to the cube steak. And all that's going to cook down. And then you want to add the
Add the tomatoes, because we didn't add the tomato to the bell pepper and onions and stuff.
So just add on top?
Yeah, just pour it evenly all over. Spread it. Okay. And that's it. And it's ready to go into the oven.
How long is it going into the oven for?
Oh, about 45 minutes. About 30 or 35 minutes, something like that.
Okay.
Until the bell peppers and stuff, the peppers get done. And
you want me to put some aluminum foil over it?
Yeah. I like to put aluminum foil over it. That'll make it cook faster. But you don't have to put the aluminum foil over it. You let it cook for about 20 minutes with the aluminum foil on it. Okay. And then you take it off and stir it, and then let it cook the rest of the way. Let it cook the rest of the way without it.
Okay, now we are finished with the cube steak. As you guys can see, it created like a nice little gravy, and the meat is underneath here. As you can see, the cube steak, this gravy is so good. I have grown up on this specific meal. I know some people just do like gravy and onions, but my grandma does it with the tomatoes and the bell peppers and the mushrooms, and it's really good. And I will be inserting a picture of my plate once we put everything together.